Hello guys, welcome to Tech Bytes. Have you been searching for a way to install Windows 10 for free? We will have a deep dive for the installation of Windows 10 Clean Isou in our desktop. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the web browser and then browse windows.com/ns/software-downloads/Windows 10. Click on Download Tool now. Run the X file and click Yes on the smart screen. It may take some time. Click Accept for the privacy policies and wait for the download to complete. Now check Create Installation Media for another PC. Again select the language, architecture and edition of Windows you want to download. Check whether your PC runs on 64-bit architecture or 32-bit, and download accordingly. Then, check the option for ISO file, so the file can be used in the future. If you wish to create the bootable disk directly, select the USB flash drive option. After the download has finished, search for the file on the folder where you have selected. I have downloaded the file to Documents folder. So, I copied the file from Documents folder to Desktop. Plug in your flash disk of at least 10 GB. Now browse Rufus.io. Move towards the download section and choose the latest version of Rufus. After download, run the application. Select the correct boot device, and click on Select for selection the Windows 10 ISO file from the desktop. Click on Start. Now the bootable device will be created. Restart the PC with your flash disk, hard disk plugged in. Press the F2 key to open the BIOS settings. Select the boot priority from the BIOS settings screen. Note that the boot priority option may vary according to devices. Click on Apply and Exit. Booting will start from the flash disk. From the language section, select your language and click Next. Click on Install now. A Windows activation screen appears. Click on I don't have a key option and click Next. Select the operating system you want to install and click Next. Check the radio button I accept the license terms and click Next. Now select the custom install. Select the correct partition for installation of your Windows and format the partition. If you want to format your whole partitions, either delete all partitions and create the partition according to your needs or format individual partitions. Note that all the data on your hard drive may be lost by formatting the partitions. So, it is advised to back up all your data. Now select the correct partitions for your OS and click Next. Now the installation process has started. It may take some time. So, sit back and relax. After the install is complete, unplug your flash disk. There are few more steps to wrap up the process. Your PC may reboot for several times. Now, on the prompt screen select your region and click Yes. Again select the correct keyboard format. If you want to connect to the network, select the network and type the correct password. I have skipped this step. Now type the name for your PC and click Next. You can just skip other steps. Check the privacy options if you want to turn off the privacy options, and finally you are ready to go and Windows 10 Clean Isou has been installed on your device for free. Thanks for watching. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.